In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an advance payment in Zoho Books. Adding advance payments is an essential skill, especially when managing clients who prefer to pay upfront for goods or services. These credits can be particularly useful, allowing you to efficiently apply them to future invoices. Let's dive right into the process. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Customers section. From your Zoho Books dashboard, look over to the left sidebar. You'll see various options here, but for now, zero in on Sales. Click on Sales, and this will open up a new menu. Within this menu, you'll find a link labeled Customers. Select this option. Once you're in the Customers section, you need to identify and select the customer who has made the advance payment. Scroll through your list of customers or use the search function if necessary to quickly find the customer's name. Click on the appropriate customer to open their details page. This page is where all the magic happens. Now, with the customer's details page open, draw your attention to the top right corner. You'll spot a drop-down that says New Transaction. Clicking this will give you several options, but what you're interested in is Customer Payment. Select Customer Payment from the drop-down. This will initiate a new transaction process where you can register the advance payment. Here comes a crucial step: entering the payment details. You'll see a form where you need to fill in the required fields. Start by entering the amount received, ensuring that this matches precisely what you've collected from the customer. Next, input the date of the payment. It's always best to have this entered accurately, as it aids in clear record keeping and generates reliable reports. Finally, select the payment method. This could be a bank transfer, credit card, or any other method your customer used to make the payment. Double-check all these details to ensure accuracy and completeness. Once you're confident that all the payment information is correct, the final step is to save this transaction. Look for the Save button, typically found at the bottom of the form. Click Save to record this advance payment in Zoho Books. By doing this, the advance amount will automatically be made available as a credit in your system. This credit can then be applied against future invoices, easing the payment process for both you and your customer. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully added an advance payment in Zoho Books. Keeping track of such transactions ensures your accounts stay organized and provides clarity in your financial dealings with customers. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe for more useful Zoho Books tips and tutorials.